the channel. Sitting right in front of me is something I'm going to reveal in the next video. It has to do with my 240. That's coming back from paint very soon. But today we're going to go for a ride again in the Z, and this isn't my first video, but I want this to be like an introduction to the channel. I never formally introduced myself to you guys, even though I have posted a video already. So we're gonna do a little Q&A, I guess, with myself and just go over some goals and everything for the channel. Without further ado, this is a cold start on my 2016 Nismo Nissan 370Z. I forgot I needed gas. Looks like we're going to the gas station. So first of all, my name is Patrick. If you didn't get that before in my first video, nice to meet you. I have a 2016 Nissan 370Z Nismo, and I absolutely love this car, despite the title of my last video. You know, there are a few little things about the car that I may not love, but overall this is an incredible car, and I'm so happy to have it, and I'm so happy to drive it. This channel is just going to be about me and right now this car and my 240 when I get that back, and just cars in general. I'm going to go to car shows, I want to do car reviews every now and then, things like that. There are a couple car dealerships around me that I really like to visit. One is McLaren Boston. They usually have a pretty good inventory and they're really nice people over there. So, you know, I'll do some dealership tours, dealership walkarounds when they get some good cars in for you guys to see. Maybe even review one. That'd be really cool. But yeah, this channel is basically just going to be all things cars, all things that I like. And I like pretty much everything. So a little bit about me. Like I said, my name is Patrick. I've been into cars for a very long time, ever since I was a child. I was the typical kid that fantasized over Lamborghinis, Ferraris, Porsches, everything fast and everything cool, basically. And then I kind of got into cars. My personal first car was a 1999 Audi A4. I was kind of like in a weird stage. I really liked cars at that point when I got my first car, but I wasn't so concerned with modifying cars or anything like that. So it was an automatic Audi A4, great car, tremendous in the snow. I loved it. I spent a lot of money on fixing it. It's not the most reliable car, but they're fun. They're cool little cars. Can be reliable, I suppose. I ended up blowing the engine in the car in the first 2 years. Put a new engine in it. Had the car for 8 more years and had no problems with it at all. Probably like a year into owning my Audi. Not even. Probably like 6 months at most into owning my Audi, I started to get the itch to modify the car. Being that it was an automatic, I didn't really care to mod it with performance in mind, so I'll put a picture somewhere around here. I had it painted hibiscus red. It's an OEM color, it's beautiful. I put it on bags, got some cool wheels for it, and then just gave it kind of like a VIP styling. It was just a cruising car, it was automatic, it was slow. But it was super comfortable and very nice. So after that, I started to get into Japanese cars. So I got myself a project. I got a 1989 Toyota Cressida, and I got myself a nice 2JZ, naturally aspirated 2JZ engine for it that I was going to swap in and do a little work to, put a turbo on it, stuff like that. but that didn't work out. I ended up moving, so I had to sell that. So that never panned out. But then I got my 240, and the 240 has been a project for 3 years, and I am beyond psyched for you guys to see it. I can't wait. It's a really cool car, and yeah, I just can't wait. As far as goals for the channel goes, I have wanted to make a YouTube channel for years. I'm a huge fan of watching YouTubers and watching content creators of all types, whether it be cars. You know, I watch game streaming. I watch car vloggers, car reviewers, and actually that's pretty much it. I watch a lot of video games and a lot of cars, plus just some random vlogs here and there. But I've just been so into the platform for so long. I've always thought it'd be really cool to start my own channel and see what I can do with it. I went to college for graphic design, never really did anything with it, and then kind of like lost a lot of creative outlets in my life. So this is going to be super fun. It's going to encourage me to mod my cars more. It's going to encourage me to get out there and try to drive more cars, and just video editing itself is a creative outlet. It lets me kind of create exactly what I want out of this channel, which is going to be awesome. I'm psyched. I think there are kids playing tennis in a parking lot. There are people playing tennis in the parking lot. This quarantine has got people doing some weird things, but good for them, you know. Have fun. The tennis courts are closed. Come to a random parking lot. I don't even know where I am, and play tennis. So with the channel, I'm just super excited to have a creative channel, you know, a channel that I can channel my creativity into. I think it's gonna be rad. I think you guys are gonna really like it. I really hope, because this is for you guys. Like I have a blast doing this, and it's gonna really, you know, push me to be creative, to entertain you, but I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it so I can share my adventures with everyone. I'm just driving around random places. I don't know where I am. I'm doing this so I can share it with everyone. Whether it be car stuff, mostly it's going to be car stuff, but whether it be like my car or traveling to different car shows, and it's going to give me, like I said, it's going to give me a reason to push myself and kind of get out there and do more cool stuff. Win-win all around, right guys? Alright, this is just a parking lot. We are going to go. So those are my goals for the channel. Basically just to create something that I myself truly enjoy creating, and that all my viewers, subscribers, fans, whatever you all want to be, will enjoy watching, and I can provide some entertainment for you guys, maybe some education. I know there isn't a lot of information about this specific car on the internet, so it'll be kind of cool to, you know, answer questions. By the way, if you guys have any questions about this car, if you're curious about anything, if you're thinking about buying one, just leave it in the comments. I will answer your questions to the best of my ability. And if I don't know the answers, I know people that do know the answers. So I'll get some collabs on the channel as well. So basically that's it. That's what the channel is going to be. That's what I want out of my channel. Those are my goals for the channel, and you know, a little bit about myself. Sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. I've just never been, I just don't know where I am, so I'm just seeing if there are any cool spots to pull over and chat. I'll go up this hill. All right, boys, let's get a little POV action. Welcome to the POV. It's really busy here today, so we're just gonna chill. I'm not gonna go too crazy, but I don't think there's anyone in front of us, so it should be fine. The car handles amazing. There's no body roll whatsoever, unless you're really, really going for it, which I am not. And it just turns in. The steering is excellent. It just goes where you want it to, and it almost makes it effortless. Granted, it does get a little crazy if you push it, but you have to really be You have to really push it pretty hard to get out of your comfort zone in this car, which is pretty cool. But this is a good spot to talk about something I wanted to really quickly. I didn't mention this in my last video, but the blind spots, especially over your right shoulder, I can't see anything. I don't know if a car is coming at all. I'm just gonna send it. Well, that guy let me go, so that was very helpful. I'm gonna roll my window down this time so you can get some exhaust in your life. And there is the state police, so let's be good. Hi guys, just going for a drive. Thank you. See, this is what I mean. There's people walking in the street. That's why we can't drive too fast. I saw a dog here yesterday, just ran out in the middle of the street. All right, I don't know if you can hear me now, so let's go. All right, guys, we're just about hitting the speed limit here, so I'm not gonna go too much faster. All right, so here's the corner up here. It's totally blind, you can't see beneath it, and then it just cuts and dips. And that is really fun. It feels so good. I love having this road near me. People in my spot. I just lost traction in here. The floor's so shiny. All right, boys, good news and bad news. The good news is that this spot is sick. Bad news is I just tried to record this twice and my camera was set to like hyperlapse both times, so we're good. One thing I wanted to talk to you guys about very quickly, I mentioned it in my last video, regarding these little flares. They are coming off next video. They'll be coming off next video, not now, but very soon. And here's why. I don't think they look good on the front of the car. It's really hard to get it on camera, how they look. But I don't like it on the front, and you can't take the front off and leave the back, so they're coming off. While we're back here, quick shout out, quick plug. My boys over at Sweet Waffles and Boba make the best boba, make the best bubble tea, and they have incredible sweet Liège waffles. If you live in New England, if you live in the New England area, or you're not in the New England area and you feel like driving, it is absolutely worth it. Make a stop, go to Chinatown in Boston, get yourself Sweet Waffles and Boba. Right now it's only online ordering, and you just get texted when your order's ready and then you pick it up. So, but it's crazy, guys. Let me tell you something about that place. Whew. I'm out of breath. Ugh. So when you go to Sweet Waffles and Boba, it's literally a car meet. The owners, the people that run it are huge car enthusiasts. They drive insane cars. One of my favorite cars in Boston is my buddy Mike's NSX, and it is dope. Hopefully we'll get a video of that car ASAP. He's hosting some cruises, so you guys will definitely see it, but it's sick. There are cars lining the streets of Chinatown. Everyone's super nice. Definitely go check them out. Highly recommend it. Super delicious. I just have a lot to say about them. They're really good. So yeah, like I was talking about, the fender flares, they're going away. The Swift springs are going to be installed soon too, so it's going to be a little bit lower and hopefully handle excellent, because Swift has a great reputation. What do you guys think I should do for mods? I'm open to performance mods. I'm open to aesthetic mods. Maybe wrapping it. I don't think I'm gonna wrap it anytime soon. I love the pearl white. I don't know if cameras can capture like a good pearl white, but this is a good pearl white. Wheels will come in the future. I really like these V2 raise wheels that come on the 2nd gen Nismo 370. So I'm gonna keep these wheels for a while. I have some spacers on the back. I'm gonna get some spacers in the front, and I think these OEM wheels look sick. So they're gonna stay for a while, but I do have some other aftermarket wheels in mind. But tell me, what do you think I should do? Should I do a front splitter? Should I do side splitters? Should I only do performance stuff? Like I mentioned earlier, full exhaust. I'm not gonna turbo the car. I can't afford that right now, but I'll do intake, I'll do exhaust, I'll do downpipes. That is exhaust. But yeah, let me know what you think I should do, fellow Z-bros or just car enthusiasts in general. I'm open to anything really, to be honest. I just wanna make this car unique. I wanna make it cool. I want you guys to like it, and I want you guys to be a part of the build. That'd be super fun, and I just like getting input from everyone. Let's go. Ah. Whoa, that was sketchy, but yeah, that was sketchy. All right, I am psyched I found this spot. This is my new spot, but for now, let's go. Fun fact, I bought my Honda Civic in this garage when I had a Honda Civic. Bought it right there. It looks like rain. There's no rain in the forecast, and I want to run today, so I think I'm gonna go anyways and hope it doesn't rain. Anyways, that is it for today's vlog. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button, and if you feel inclined to do so, hit the subscribe button as well. Within the next few weeks, there's going to be some super exciting content coming, so you definitely will not regret it. I can guarantee that. I forgot my phone in the car. I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. My name is Patrick, and I will see you guys next time.